I was cleaning out my girlfriend's garage over the weekend and check out what I found. An old dinosaur. Let's unbox this baby and see if it still works. Wowzers. Look at this thing. Makita. I'm a Makita guy. I love Makita, so I'm thinking it's gonna work. I don't even know the year that this was produced, but I'm extremely grateful that drills have come a long way and we're not still using this drill technology. Let's see if it even works. Oh snap, there's another battery in here. 2 batteries? No fire here. No fire on this one. The beautiful thing is we got the charger. Going way back on this video. But it's a Makita, so I'm really hoping that it works. We're gonna charge up the battery and we're gonna see if it works. Okay, let's pull the battery. After being in the charger for an hour, let's put it in the drill. I'm sure glad that we don't use drills like this anymore. Glad the industry evolved out of something like this. I mean, carpenters would have bigger biceps, I'm sure, if all the drills were this heavy. You do curls with this baby. Okay. Looks like it still works. Forward. Actually, it might not work. See if it's got any low torque. Nope. Maybe this battery's crap. I charged the other battery. Let's see if that works. Okay. Nah. Doesn't have any torque. I mean, it'll work if you put a screw in very slow. I had high hopes that this would work better than it did, but it just isn't really working. They evolved from this to this. Yeah, super grateful they went to brushless. It's a sad day if you're using this on site, but it's a good install if you're using this.